So we are going to solve question number 31, both the parts A and B. And A part says that a room is in the form of a cylinder surmounted by a hemisphere. The base radius of hemisphere is one half of the radius of the cylindrical part. So let's try to draw its rough sketch. So the room is in the form of a cylinder with a hemispherical dome at the top. Okay, now, so that means that now the base radius of hemisphere, this is the base radius of the hemisphere is one half of the height of the cylindrical part. So let's say the height of the cylindrical part is h. So base radius is half of the height, which gives us height is equal to 2 times r. Okay, so the base radius and the radius of the cylinder is same because it's surmounted on the hemisphere is surmounted on the cylinder. We have to find the total height of the room. So total height of the room is equal to, so what will be the total height of the room? So this is the room and its total height is radius, that is height of the hemisphere, which is the radius. So this is the height of the hemisphere, which is the radius, and the height of the cylinder, which is h. So total height of the room is h plus r, and that's what we are going to find out here. Now to find that, it's given that pi should be 22 by 7 and the volume of air in the room. So volume of air in the room is the volume of cylinder plus volume of hemisphere. So I can write down here volume of air in room is equal to 1408. So this is 1408 by 21 meter cube. Now volume of air in the room is the volume of hemisphere, which is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of cylinder, which is pi r square h. And this is equal to 1408 by 21 meter cube. Okay, now it's given that height is equal to 2r. So height is equal to 2r. We can write here 2 by 3 pi r cube plus pi r square h into 2r, which is equal to 1408 by 21 meter cube. Okay, so in this is now 2 by 3 by r cube, and this is 2 by r cube, which is equal to 1408 by 21 meter cube. Now, okay, this is 2 pi r cube, and this is pi r square h. So this is 2 pi r cube. Okay, and so r pi r cube is common, so pi r cube is common, and we are now left with 2 by 3 plus 2, which is equal to 1408 by 21. And 2 by 3 plus 2 is, it gives us, this is pi into r cube, and this is 3, 2 plus 6, which is 8 by 3. So this is 1408 by 21. And finally, our pi cube, this is 8 by 3. And r cube is equal to 1408 by 21 into 3 by 8. And pi becomes 7 by 22 this side. Again, if we try to solve this, this is 3, 7 by 21, 7 and 7 gets cancelled. This is 2, 4s are 8, and 704 again cancelled with 2. So this is 352. And again, if we cancel this with 2, so this is 2 1s are 2. And 2 7s are 14, 2 6 are 12. So this gets cancelled with 11, 2 are 22, 11 1s are 11. And 11 6 are 66, and 2 with 8. So r cube is equal to 8. So that gives r is equal to 2 meter. So radius is 2 meter and height is double of the radius. So height is equal to 2 into r, which is equal to 4 meter, and total height. Now the radius is 2, height is 4, so total height of the room is 4 plus 2, that is equal to 6 meter. Okay, now let's also try to solve the part B of this question. And for this, let me erase this. And let's try to understand what is given in the part B. So part B says that there is an empty cone which is of radius 3 centimeter and height 12 centimeter. So empty cone is of height 12 centimeter. So the height is 12 centimeter. So the height is 12 centimeter and the radius is 3 centimeter. Okay. So this is an empty cone and ice cream is filled in it. So ice cream is filled in it so that the lower part of the cone, so this is the lower part of the cone, so which is 1/6 of the volume of the cone is unfilled. So that means the ice is not in the lower part, it just remains in somewhere in the upper part of the cone. This is where the ice cream is, and but also the hemisphere is formed on the top. So okay, this is the ice cream. So this is where the ice cream is. So the lower part of the cone, this part, it remains unfilled. And ice is just only in the hemisphere and the upper part of the cone, and we have to find the volume of the ice cream. Okay, for we can find the volume of the ice cream where it has formed the hemisphere. So volume of ice cream in the hemisphere. So hemisphere's volume is 2 by 3 pi r cubed and radius is 3 centimeters. So this is 2 by 3 into pi into this is r cube is radius is 7. So radius is 3 and the cube of 3 is 27. So this is 2 by 3 into pi into 27 and 9 3 is 27. So this is 18 pi centimeter cube. Let's leave it here. Now let's move on to where the volume. So this part is 1/6 of the volume of the cone. If this part is 1/6, so that means this part is the whole is 1. This is the 1, and this part is 1 minus 1 by 6 is equal to 5 by 6. That is, the ice cream is in 5 by 6 part of the volume of the cone. So volume of ice cream in upper part, because lower part is unfilled, upper part, and that is of cone. So upper part, it is 5/6 of the volume. If the lower part is 1/6, the upper part is 5/6. So this is 5/6 of the volume of cone, and volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So this is 5 by 6 into 1 by 3 into pi, radius is 3, so 3 square is 9, height is 12. So this is 3 3 the 9, 3 2 are 6, 2 6 are, this is 30 pi centimeter cube. Now, total volume of ice cream in cone. So total volume of ice cream is cone is just the sum of ice cream in the hemisphere, which is 18 pi, plus the sum of this ice cream in the upper part of the cone, which is 13 pi. So which is 48 pi centimeter cube. And now this is 48 into 3.14. So 48 into 3.14. If we calculate this, this will give me 150.72 centimeter cube. So this solves our question number 31, and let's move on to question number 32.